Yes.
Good morning.
What's up, everybody? Here we are. We got Friday, September 1st.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Burmans.
Yeah, Burmans. Here we
Yeah.
are, the Burmans. We should see Christmas decorations anytime now, right, Joe?
Yeah, anytime soon. You
Gotta
know
love
it
it.
once you're in Philippines.
Gotta love it, gotta love it. Let's see, what do we got else? 88 degrees, a little bit in it today. But it's nice, like Jan's saying, with the Burmans, it's a little bit cloudier, so it's not as hot.
And you can already feel the September breeze, the Christmas breeze.
Yeah,
you know,
the
the
Christmas
cool breeze.
breeze.
Yeah,
The cool breeze.
yeah.
So today we are at one of our favorites, right? We just
Yeah.
love this place. It's called the Pancake House, the Nilagang Mall. It's just great.
Yeah.
Overall food, breakfast, lunch.
Now this is where we always get our breakfast. He likes to get his pancakes.
Yes, I get my pancakes here.
Like literally, we don't even need the menu anymore because we already know what we want every time we come here.
Pretty soon we'll just walk in and they won't even take our order. They'll just, normal? Yeah. But today, actually, we're going to go, I'm also going to show you the grocery store here. I did some videos a while back on the grocery store, but we'll shoot the Metro grocery store. We're going to get some stuff for a recipe Joe is going to show me tonight. What are you going to show me how to make?
Nilagang Baka, a Filipino dish.
I have no idea what she just said, but I'm going to learn how to make that tonight. So
Yeah.
stay tuned. We're gonna get our really brunch by now, and then head to the grocery store. So back in a minute. All right. So Joe got her food. She got the what's that, Joe?
Spicy beef tapa.
Spicy beef tapa.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Yeah, it's a really popular Filipino dish. I've had it a bunch of times too. Yeah, it's really good. It
I
looks like
always get the beef tapa.
beef, egg, and rice. Just mix it all up. Yeah, it looks super good. And mine's coming. Actually, it's right here. Okay. And what I just got here, I got some banana walnut pancakes. All right, we're gonna eat this real quick. We'll be right back in the grocery store getting groceries for tonight's. What do you call that again?
Nilagang Baka.
Lingambanganga. Yeah, right back. All right, guys, we're back in the grocery store.
Yeah, we're now here at the grocery SM Metro
So
supermarket.
we had our lunch. I will put in. I took a copy of the menu. Do you know where you're going? You go ahead and walk. I'll follow you. So I'll put in a copy of the menu in there, as well as the price. Really cheap, inexpensive breakfast. Like I said, it's one of our favorites. But yes, we are getting our ingredients at the grocery store for the
Nilagang Baka.
yes, that. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. It sounds like kind of like Chewbacca.
Oh my god. Yeah, right now we're heading to the meat section.
Right. But here's inside the Metro grocery store, guys. I've shot a little bit of video here before, but it's your typical grocery store, I think, in a lot of ways, even Western standards. You've got your meat, your poultry, and your fish down there. But we're going to be getting some beef again, right? Where was that? Oh yeah, right here, right?
Ah, this one, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like me. It looks fresh. So it's just your typical grocery store here in a lot of ways. You've got your produce here. Yeah, and big store, right? Big, massive store. Notice the eggs. You don't need to refrigerate it, the eggs here. Yeah. In the dairy section, the dairy is way up over there. You know what? We'll walk by the dairy section real quick. Let me show you. It's tiny. Dairy section is like non-existent compared to what you'd have, and that goes for a lot of things. Anything beef or anything like that. So here's your dairy section. You got some stuff, some cheeses. You're not going to have your really good cheeses. And yeah, your really good cheeses you're gonna struggle to find here. But here's some mozzarella, some Gouda, your lunch meats. Check out the yogurts, right? I mean, like, hardly any yogurts at all compared to what you see. And here's the one that gets me. Here's the milk. No gallons. What is this? This is 1 liter milk, your fresh milk, and that's it, man. You got one option. Oh, that's great. That's great. All right. So yeah, inside the grocery store, we're getting our we're getting our ingredients for what Joe. I'm going to be learning how to make this. So it is a traditional Filipino dish. So let's catch up with Joe, see where she's got. Did you get everything? So we got a lot of the ingredients already at home.
We got already the onion,
Right.
ginger. So the missing is the chili and the banana.
Chilies and bananas, but these are different kind of bananas, aren't they?
The same banana that I got.
No, I meant like they're not like a normal banana.
Yeah, you don't see often.
Right.
It's the sabak. It's called sabak.
Kaba?
Sabak.
Huh.
This one. So
Yeah.
you don't want to get the green ones. You want to get somewhere like ripe, like
Okay.
this one. We only need 3 of this.
So these guys, I've never even had these before or seen these before. So really different kind of banana.
That's the banana that you get.
Yeah, the traditional on the other side there. Yep.
Yeah, the
And
lakatan.
And even those, they taste a little bit different than a Western style banana, I've noticed. Oh, here's your favorite.
The durian.
So guys, yeah, this stuff, I'm surprised I can't even smell it right now. But the durian, yeah, that is, honestly, it smells like feet. Yeah, not the greatest. So, all right guys, well, I think we've got almost all the ingredients. So we are going to be, actually tonight, I just remembered we got plans with some friends. So we're gonna be picking this up tomorrow and doing the actual cooking tomorrow of this. So stay tuned while I learn how to create a Filipino dish. Be right back. So we're back, guys. We had some things to do that night where we couldn't make this the night that we did the shopping, but we're back now. And Joe, you're gonna show me how to make
Nilagang Baka.
Nilagang Baka?
Nilagang Baka.
Nilagang Baka. Right?
Nilagang
Gan
Baka.
Baka.
Nilagang Baka.
Chewy Baka.
Chibaka.
All right.
Okay.
We're gonna figure out how to make this. And so, what is it really? Tell me a little bit about what this is.
This is a traditional Filipino dish soup that we always make at home. It consists of obviously beef and cabbage, onion, ginger, and I don't know what it calls in English.
Like a pepper.
Espada. Yeah,
Yeah.
like a spice to add a spice to it, a kick to it. Also, we bought a beef broth.
Okay.
So
All right.
we already defrosted the beef.
Okay.
So right now,
Yeah.
what I'd like to do instead of putting this to the soup, I'd like to smother this piece of broth into the beef because I want the flavor to really sit in.
Mm.
So that's why I wanna.
You're a regular Chef Boyardee, aren't you? Oh,
So-
hey, we're missing another ingredient. The bananas. The papas or the.
Yeah, I have the bananas
Mm.
under the cabinet. So, but that's for later on.
Mm.
I'm just gonna season this and sit in this for a while and put this aside while we prepare our vegetables. Before you said you're not a soup person.
Yes, it's interesting. Well, guys, the thing about that is that, I coming from the United States, in particular Colorado, when I would have a soup, it would be like cold outside. It wouldn't be something that I would eat in the middle of summer, And here, given the fact that, the temperature is pretty much the same year round, you guys eat soups no matter when. And I was actually really surprised by how much I enjoyed the Filipino soups here.
Yeah, especially the chicken broth, the tinolang chicken. That's what we always use if we have like flu or we're sick, and we like to have soup with especially the chicken soup.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, similar in the United States where we'll
chicken
eat
broth.
soup when we're sick.
Also, we have like a variety of our soup. Every province has a different version of it.
Mm.
So right now we're going to have my version, our province version of the
Interesting.
dish.
So the dish can be a little different depending on where you go, huh?
Yeah, yes, there is a variety of it.
Okay.
So that's why people from provinces would really prefer native, like for example, native chicken instead of the chicken that we get from the mall,
Right.
because it just
Tastes
really
different.
it tastes different. It hits different and much more rich in
Mm.
flavor.
Mm.
So yeah, that's why we slaughter our own chicken.
Have you ever slaughtered a chicken before, Joe?
Yes, I have.
Have you really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
2 times.
Oh my goodness.
Just by looking at my father, how he does it.
Right? That is something that probably most Westerners or most Americans for sure have never done. And I lived on a farm as a kid, but I was such a small kid.
Mhm.
You know, we slaughtered our chickens and our sheep, and
Right.
you know, we had a cow and a couple of pigs and stuff. But you know, people who don't live on a farm, which is most of the people, right, in the United States, they have no idea kind of how that stuff works. So,
Yeah.
and me included, really. I mean, I moved away from the farm when I was probably first grade or kindergarten, so I was never really around a lot of that. But my brothers, you know, they helped out on the farm quite a bit. So now you're just kind of peeling the ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, it takes time. I don't wanna use the peeler because this is like have a lot of curves. This is a sexy ginger.
It's a what? A sexy ginger?
Sexy ginger. But
Is it a vitus one?
huh?
A vitus? Is it ginger vitus?
Oh my god.
No? Sorry.
I don't know. It's really to ask the ginger. It's already dead.
All right, so we got the ginger cut. Now we got some cabbage.
Yeah.
Now, do you actually eat the ginger in the soup or no?
No, it just adds
Just
to
the flavor. Right,
yeah.
right,
It just a kick,
right.
the power.
I think I accidentally ate one of those before. It actually wasn't that bad. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
because it absorbs a lot of the flavor.
And we can now put the beef into it.
Okay.
And you also want to add salt, a bit of salt. Just enough salt because it already has a broth. You don't want to make it salty.
Okay.
You also have to put this along with the beef for the flavor.
Okay. The onions and
The ginger.
the onions and ginger.
Yes.
And you add the cabbage and bananas later,
Yeah.
and
later.
the peppers.
This one will be later because I don't want
Sure,
to make
it's
it
soggy.
really spicy.
Yeah. Oh, or spicy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this will cook for a couple hours, and then we'll add water to it periodically.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we'll be back in a little bit with more of Cooking with Joe.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so now since the beef has already tenderized, we're gonna
Ooh, smells good.
put the rest of the vegetables. Let's put the bananas first. So if you don't have bananas, potatoes is also optional.
Okay.
The chilies.
You don't cut up the chilies. You keep them whole.
Yeah, you keep them whole.
Okay. So you don't eat the chilies, do you?
Yeah, it's up to you if you wanna eat chilies.
Okay. You got the chilies, the bananas, and the cabbage.
Yeah, and the
Okay.
cabbage. And
Nice.
let it cook for a while.
How long is a while? A couple days.
No, just like a minute. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So we'll be back. We got all the ingredients added now, so we'll be back in a little bit.
And here we are. We're done.
All done and ready.
Yeah.
It smells good, Joe. The whole place smells great.
Yeah.
We actually went for a run, and when we came back in,
Yeah, it smells like
yeah, you
really
can even
big
smell
beef.
it in the hall.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So it looks good. So yeah, so we got the beef here. We got the bananas, the
Yeah.
cabbage,
Yeah, we got the beef tenderized.
right? And I've got a plate of rice over here. So yeah, unfortunately, with the small place that we have,
Yeah.
we don't really have a table, or we use it for the office. But the next place, we'll have a little more room, right?
I'm actually hungry.
Yeah, I'm starving. Wow, that's really good too, Joe. It turned out well.
Yeah.
And the bananas, it's interesting. I would have never thought to have bananas in soup. I mean, right?
Yeah. I like it because the beef broth and the sweetness of the banana just goes well. together. So
Yes. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to put this down here where I can eat a little bit better with
yeah.
my fork too. But we want to just do a quick video and show you how this turned out. So, thanks, Joe, for showing me this Chewbacca dish.
Oh my god, how's the Chewbacca?
Really good, guys.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back later on. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Hope all is good there, and Empine.
Yeah, take care.
Thanks, baby. It's really good.